Hello everyone, this is ASM Arif today welcoming you to my new Photoshop tutorial, and today I'll show you how to edit the male portrait. That means how to edit this type of photo and how to retouch this one and how to make the photo like look lucrative or the shiny type. So let's start the tutorial. If you are new to the channel, please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for the new notifications. At first I'll make copy by pressing Ctrl J, or you can drag it and drop in these new layer options and you'll get a new copy of this layer. After that, go to the filter and camera filter, and this one is a blessing thing for me just because of I'm getting all the settings like Lightroom, and I can set a preset and I can load a preset and export preset and share with my friend that preset. So at first in this photo I'll just work with the face color and some just shadow highlighting and everything. So let's start, and I'll make it a little bit warmy, and then that's why I made the temperature +6 and exposure a little bit up, and contrast, add some contrast, and highlight, I'll de-highlight this one like this. Yeah, add some shadow. Yeah, that's cool. And add some white a little bit and decrease the blacks a little bit, and then clarity a little bit up. After that, go to the sharpening, amount of sharpening, and add some amount of sharpening and noise reduction, luminance. That's good. And then I'll go to the HSL panel. From the HSL panel, I'll down the orange color a little bit, not too much, and luminance of orange color I'll make it up, and the red color I'll make it down, the luminance I'll make it down, and saturation a little bit up. And the eye color, here is some blue color eyes, that's why add some blue. Yeah, manually I'll pop up the eye color later, and then it will be more shiny eyes. So after that, go to the tone curve and go to the blue curve options, select here. Just look at here is no histogram, that's why I'll just lock here and work with this. Yeah, that's good. And then the red as well, so I'll make it red like this. That's good. And then the RGB color, I'll lock it here and here. So, and then I'll just add some vignetting and I'll make it like a little bit down for the shadow. So let's see the before one and after one. Yeah, that's good. And I'm going back to the editing panel. So after that, go to the effects option and then add dehaze this one, make it +3 or 4, and from the basic panel I'll add some shadow. Yeah, and the exposure a little bit. That's good. And then from the camera calibration, and I'll work with this color. Yeah, and primary blue like that and primary red like that, so decreasing this one. And from the HSL panel I'll add some saturation of red, and the luminance of red I'll make it down, and orange of luminance orange I'll make it up, decrease the saturation a little bit. And I'll save these settings, just save settings, and I'm saving these settings for you guys, and I'll give you that downloading in the video description. So boy or man, okay, that's good. You're getting the new look of this, the before one and after one, the artistic look actually. And after that I'll pop up the eye color, that's why I'll make a new blank layer. Yeah, by pressing here new layer, copy layer options, and select the brush and make it white. Make the brush size like smaller like this, and just before brush over there, go to the opacity, make it 100% and flow 100%, and just brush over there and over there. So from the blending options, blending mode, I'll make it overlay, and adjust the opacity and hit OK. Okay, that's good, but I want to add another things. So go to the adjustment layer and the solid color, pick a solid color like blue and hit OK and make it overlay. And you can change now the color and adjust it like this. So hit OK and make it soft light. Soft light is good for the editing and for the shadow highlighting. So I want to make it like this. Yeah, that's good. And change the color ratio. Yeah, that's good. And make the opacity up 100%. That's good. And select three things, make it group and make it snapshot like that, and filter, and then the Google Nick collection. From here I'll add another effects for the new look, and it will make the photo more artistic or nice. So Google Nick collection, this one is plugins, and you can use this one free of cost. I'll give you that download link in the video description, so check it out and enjoy that. So it's loading. It depends on your PC configuration. So if your PC configuration is not too much high, then it will take too much time to load it up. Otherwise it will just load at once. So I'm using the cross processing options, and here all the methods, and pick another one to make it more artistic look. So I'll pick up this one, C04, and you have to assumption 37% and hit the OK button. It will take time to load it and save your presets or save your just effects. So yeah, it'll give you the output. So let's see the before one, the normal and ordinary unedited image, and the after one, effect, cinematic look, or the perfect retouch for the man or the boy portrait photography. So hope that you enjoyed this video. If you need these preset, please check out my video description. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching my video tutorial. The resource files which I used in this tutorial, please check out my video description. Don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends, and the thumbs up. Until the next video, I'm ASM Arif signing out today, and bye bye.